Dear viewers, today we will discuss cognitive test for children by Weschler. One of the most well-known intelligence tests in educational psychology is the Weschler Intelligence Scale for Children (WASC), which was created to evaluate cognitive skills in kids between the ages of 6 and 16 years old. American psychologist David Weschler created the test in the 1940s, and since then it has undergone a number of updates and modifications. The WISC measures both verbal and non-verbal cognitive abilities, including language, memory, attention, processing, speed, and problem solving skills. The test consists of several subtests, each of which measures a different aspect of cognitive functioning. The subtests are combined to create a composite score, which provides an overall measure of a child's intellectual functioning. The current version of the WISC V includes 10 core subsets and 5 supplemental subtests. The core subtests include similarities, measures verbal reasoning and understanding of abstract concept, vocabulary, measures knowledge of word meanings and verbal comprehension, information, measures general knowledge and understanding of the word, comprehension, measures social reasoning and understanding of social norms and expectations. Block design measures spatial reasoning and visual perception. 6 is matrix reasoning, measures non-verbal reasoning and problem solving skills. 7 visual puzzle measures visual motor integration and spatial reasoning. Digit span measures short-term memory and attention. 9 is coding, measures processing speed and attention to detail. 10 is symbol search, measures processing speed and visual perception. The WISC can be used by educators and psychologists to identify children who may need special education services, diagnose learning disabilities or other cognitive impairments, and design individualized educational plan. However, like any intelligence test, the WSA is not without its limitations, and its use should guided by a thorough understanding of its strengths and weakness.